it sounded loud tattoo, but the Angelus bell or the Liffey swell rang out in the foggy dew. Right proudly high in Dublin town they flung out the flag of war. 'Twas better to die 'neath an Irish sky than at Suvlar or Sudelbar. And from the plains of Royal Meath strong men came hurrying through, while Britannia's hunt with their long-range guns sailed in through the foggy dew. Was England bid our wild geese go, that small nations might be free, but their lonely graves are by Suvla's waves, or the fringe of the great Mersey. Oh, had they died by Pearse's side, or had fought with Cabral, their names we'll keep where the Fenians sleep, beneath the shroud of the foggy dew. Back through the glen I rode again, and my heart with grief was sore, for I parted then with the valiant men whom I never shall see more. But to and fro in my dreams I go, and I kneel and pray for